Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to copy the link of a thread on your Threads account using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer as well as an account for Threads and some threads that we have posted to the account. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Click on this, wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, now let's go to Instagram.com using a shortcut on the bookmarks tab. And then make sure that you are signed into the account. Go to profile, then navigate to your Threads handle within Instagram. Wait for that to load. Make sure that you are signed into the Threads account. Go to profile. Go to the bottom right corner of the screen where we have that plus sign. Click on this to post a trial thread. As part of this tutorial, this is a trial thread. Computer Science Videos and hashtag. Let's now click on post. This is now posting to the account. This has now been posted. Click on view to take us to that thread itself. Let's now go to the top right corner. Click on the three dots, then click on copy link. We can now minimize Safari for the moment. Now let's go to Safari, right click, new private window, accept all, Command V. To locate that link, allow all cookies, and there we have it. This is a trial thread, Computer Science Videos, that particular thread on screen being broadcasted to the globe. We can now quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.